Hey, what's going on? Destin here, talking about the HMX Serene Green linear switches. This time around, HMX introduces first time with the Pom Bottom Housing, consisting of 10 switches in a pack, with each pack costing $3.50, equating to 35 cents a switch. Designed by M Studios and manufactured by HMX. With the modified UPE stem and Pom Bottom Housing, their aim is to create an even fuller and more bassy sound signature than other existing HMX switches, with an operating force of 42 grams and a bottom-out force of 46 grams, for a pre-travel distance that sits at 2 millimeters and a total travel distance of 3.6 millimeters. I gotta say, HMX has been extremely tight with the new molds, as I've been struggling to crack these switches open. But now that they are, let's go ahead and take a look at each part individually. With a modified PA12 top housing, a modified UPE stem that comes factory lubed, the 22mm KOS single stage extended spring, and a modified Pom Bottom Housing, factory lubed at the leaf spring and the bottom house railing. Taking a closer look at the new molds on the Serene Green linears, tolerances are tight. Not much horizontal or vertical wobble happening here. 10 out of 10. We'll place them in the Polygon 7 from Daring Run with an aluminum plate and no foams, and take a listen. I would definitely say they're pretty bassy for some HMX switches and very full sounding. Extremely consistent for the switches in the pack. Let's go ahead and compare them against some other HMX switches, being the HMX Sugar Rush, Lotus, Hyacinth V2s, Macchiatos, and Emos, all linear switches. Now with the comparison coming to an end, let's take a listen to the HMX Serene Green switches on the Polygon 7.